Hi, my name is Vinitha Atre. I'm a software engineer turned television journalist. I worked with CNBC TV 18 for more than 6 years before I took a break and wrote my book. I currently run my own boutique content consulting company in Bangalore. My MBA journey started in 2018 when, after more than 10 years of working, I decided that I would go to a business school. Um, Coming from a background in media and journalism, I totally felt like this is something I can handle on my own. I didn't really need a consultant. And with that sense of bravado, I went ahead and applied to a few schools. I was absolutely shocked to learn that I had been rejected by all schools without even an interview. And it was a terribly depressing phase for me. I spent several months like it was in this process that I was introduced to Autry. I remember coming back from that meeting and thinking, wow, this is like the most power packed 20-25 minute long meeting that I've had with anybody in this MBA journey. Honestly, writing part was not the biggest challenge for me because I come from that industry, right? But knowing what to write to me was like this priceless gift that Autry gave. Oh my God, I'm almost like emotional when I say this. He has been the most extraordinary mentor to me in this process. I just can't think of anybody else who could have done a better job of holding my hand and mentoring me through this process. For somebody who'd been rejected earlier and was going through that whole painful, kind of a soul searching process. This time around I did not want to make those mistakes, so there were so many times when I used to call him with like seemingly silly doubts, but he was always there. He was always there for me every step of the way. um, I always tell him that even if I had a family member who was into admissions consulting, I don't think that person would have supported me as much as Autry did. And as a result of all of this time around when I applied, I got into I applied to five of the schools that I applied to were top schools in the US and Canada. And I got into all five of them with significant financial aid. I finally chose Duke's Fuqua School of Business, where I not only got a seat, but I was also named the Keller Scholar. As well as a Forte Fellow, to amazing honors. In fact, Keller Scholarship is Duke's topmost academic merit award, and it is given to less than 1% of the incoming class. So about five students every year get this from across the world, and it's a full tuition financial aid. Such an incredible shift in the kind of results I was seeing. As somebody who's like spoken to so many consultants across the world, I've truly felt that there is nobody who understands this process better than Autry does. It's almost like magical. He's like a magician who just gets this process like that, and his inputs and his advice and his feedback has been so valuable to me that I truly feel that no matter who you are, how successful you are, MBA admissions is not about your success. It is about how well you're able to communicate that success in ways that are meaningful to a school. So if you are looking at B school admissions at all, I think it would be a great disservice to yourself if you did not give yourself the opportunity to work with this man. He is incredible, and he is like every second that you spend with him will be dripping with so much value that you will thank yourself for making this choice. So I wish you best of luck, and I truly, hope that you will choose to work with Autry because he's the finest out there. Good luck with that.